Hey guys, it's Shannon, and as you can tell, we are set up a little bit differently today. So I'm going to be doing a Goodwill clothing haul today, and I'm actually doing a try-on version. So you guys are set up in front of my TV. Sorry if the lighting is weird. I have some lights set up to make the lighting a little bit better because I looked super blue. I'm also in my pajamas right now. You can't see them, but I mainly got shirts, so you're not going to be seeing my pajama pants. But yeah, so let's just jump right into this. I'll be right back with the first outfit. Okay, so this is the first shirt I got. It's from Brandy Melville, and I can't really show you the bottom, but it goes pretty far down, about to my knees, and it's super soft, super comfortable. It's got a higher neck than I usually like, but I really like it. I actually wore it to school today, and it's really nice, really comfortable. Like I said, super soft. I was a little bit worried because it says one size. It didn't really have like a certain size, like large, extra large, etc. But it looked like it stretched a lot, so I went ahead and decided to try it because I figured if it didn't work for me, I could give it to my mom for Christmas or something like that. But I really like it, and it's super comfy, and it's definitely going to be one of my new favorites. I'm actually going to show you an accessory that I got now as well. This is from Betsy Johnson, and it's a little hand clutch, and it's got this really pretty pastel pink bow on the side, and on the inside, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, I have all my junk in here because I've been using it. It's got like little flowers in it, and it's actually super big on the inside, like it holds a lot. And yeah, it's really nice. A lot of people seem to really like it. I get a lot of compliments on it when I go out, and yeah, I think it's really pretty. And it was only like $5 that I paid, and I looked it up online when I came home, and it's being sold on eBay for like $90, so I figure I got a really good deal out of that. Alright, next shirt. Okay, so the next shirt is this one right here. It's from a brand called Christina Loves. I really like the print on it. It's like a royal purple, and the print, like I said, is super pretty, and it's got like lace along the sleeves here and along the collar, and again on the bottom, and it's a longer shirt as well. I think it'll be a really nice dressy shirt. My only issue is that like right here through the breast area where the lace kind of ends a little bit right here, it's actually really tight. I guess from the way they had to sew it to get the lace to stay. It's not like it's tight and fit. Like the material itself is very stretchy and very comfortable. It's just like along here, I guess, seems a bit tighter with the material. I don't know. But I do really like it, and I think it'll look nice with some like leggings or even some jeans maybe. Just like a simple little outfit that could go a little bit dressy as well. Alright, next one. Okay, so this shirt is from a brand called Seven. It's very lightweight. It's actually see-through, so I do have to wear a tank top underneath. But I think this will be really nice in the summer. It's got a little pocket here that's got some rhinestones on it, some little studs. I thought was super cute. And I really like the fit of this. This is a shorter shirt, but it still comes down enough to cover my bum, which makes me more comfortable when I wear shirts if it covers my butt. And yeah, like I said, it's very lightweight, very comfortable. I think this will be good like for a casual day if I'm not working or going to school. I can't wear a shirt like this to school, but it'll be good just for casual outings and everything. And I'm actually, well, I'll pause this and grab it. I'm gonna wear the same shirt next, but show you a jacket that I got. Okay, so this is a sweater I got. It's from the brand Studio 1940, and it's got longer sleeves, and this is the print on the bottom of the sleeves, and it does the same thing on the bottom of the sweater. So this is a very light sweater. I think it's really great for fall. It feels really light. and very comfortable. It's very soft, but at the same time, the material is very warm. But I find it to be the perfect coat for me personally. I get very hot easily, but I also freeze super easily. So I think this keeps me very, very comfortable, and I really like the design of it. It's like a really nice little cardigan, and I wore this to work the other day, and my coworker Jeremy, he likes to call me a grandma. He says I'm an old lady, and he says this is my grandma sweater. So, but I love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like grandma sweaters like this. A nice cardigan. They're comfortable. Hey Snoop. But yeah, so I love it. I've been wearing it like every day. Oh, you get tired, doggy? Alright, next shirt. Okay, so this is the next shirt I got. It's actually more pink than it's coming across on camera. On camera it looks very purple, but this is from the brand Fashion Bug, and as you can see from the top, it is a very flowy material. It does get a little bit closer to the body once you get further down, but it's very, very comfortable. The material is super, super soft. The only thing I really don't like, that's a tag, ignore that. The only thing I really don't like is this part here. I don't really know like what to do with it. I find it to be kind of weird, but I'm sure I can figure out somehow to like fix it or something. I don't know. But I think this could be a really casual shirt or a nice dressy shirt. Again, very, very comfortable. Very nice. Very cool. It's not too hot. And yeah, I like it. So, moving on to, I think I have like 3 left. So we're almost done. Okay, so this one I had not tried on yet. This is the first time I tried it on, and I'm in love with it. It's so comfortable. It's from the brand Jaclyn Smith. It's super soft. I love the top. It's kind of got a ruffly pattern along the neck, but it's super, super soft. It fits really well. It's nicely fitted. It's very cooling. I don't find that it's too tight anywhere or even too big. I think this is like a perfect fit personally. And it's like a really pretty royal blue color, and I honestly think this might be one of my favorites from all the shirts I bought. But yeah, I really, really like it. Alright, next one. So I bought this dress. It's actually a dress. It comes down to about my knees. You can't really see it that well. Maybe if I step back. No, that doesn't help. I'm sorry. I'll post a full picture on Instagram if I remember. But this is actually blue, the darker stripes. I forgot to look at the brand. What was it? I think it's like a Faded Glory or something. I'll leave a little iCard if I remember of the brand. But it's very comfortable. I bought this for summer, not for winter, obviously. But it is super, super comfortable, super lightweight. It's only tight like right here underneath the breasts area, and then it kind of like flows out into a little bit of a bubble skirt. But I really, really like it. Very comfortable, very nice. I think it would be great for like maybe a bathing suit cover up, or like a summer dress, definitely. My grandma said I could even wear it in winter, like with a shirt underneath it, but I've never really liked wearing shirts like that. But I don't know, I might try it out. I really like this dress though. It's really comfortable. And yeah, the last thing I have is another dress, and I'm really excited about that one. So let's move right on to it. Okay guys, so this is my last dress. The brand for this is Calvin Klein, and I paid $15 for this dress, and it still had the price tag on it for like $100 or something. So I think I really did a good job with this. It fits really nice. It's got 3/4 length sleeves, very soft dress. It's very comfortable. It's pretty fitted, like all the way down. I'm going to actually move the camera so you can kind of see the print on it. It's like this on the side and then flows down. And it does go all the way to the floor and it's very flowy at the bottom. I bought this to be my Thanksgiving dress, but I have to work Thanksgiving. So I will find another time to wear this. I personally love it so much. I think it is very, very, very comfortable. It is a little bit like heavier material on top. It is, since it's tighter, it's not as like cool or anything, but like the bottom, it's got a nice flow and it is very, very comfortable. And I'm planning on wearing, whenever I wear it, like some nude heels, like just small heels. I do have a broken foot, so I can't do much in heels, but if I'm just walking like a little distance or something, it works well, you know. But I do really like it, and I think it looks really pretty, and yeah. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know some of your recent Goodwill finds down below. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 4 times a week. If you guys have any video suggestions, you can leave those in the comments down below, and I reply to all your comments. And yeah, speaking of comments, can we take a moment to talk about the fact that Walmart commented on my Walmart grocery haul? Fangirl moment. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.